Start recording a new video. There we go. Wow. Oh no, it's the Puffins. This is the fight. This is the boss fight.
Looking good, Mr. Puffin.
What?
The guy who just jumped in the water.
That was the guy?
Back room, brother. Crazy. That's her dad. That's her dad.
Yeah, that's Virginia's dad. Ow.
Doing the shotty.
Oh my god, thank the Lord we got the machete, dude.
Move, dark grenade. Stay back. Oh shit. That hit you, Nathan?
No, he hit me. Annoying.
He's almost dead.
That's the her.
That's the mom. So the mom must not be a
Oh,
part
shit.
of it.
What the fuck?
Oh, she's dead. We can skid her. Okay, ready, guys? 1, 2, 3. Wait.
No.
Ah.
Oh shit!
What do you mean, wait?
Hold on, wait. When you see a piece fall out, which is gonna be, don't collect it. Unless, yeah.
See what?
I gotta quit. There's a piece on the ground. I gotta quit 2 pieces because I lost some in the fight.
I lost all mine in the fight.
Where'd they come out of the water?
Yeah, they killed the other 2 guys. They killed those 2 guys. But then the 3rd guy lived. The other guy lived. The 4th guy. So wait, those were the people who killed us at the beginning.
Oh look, Barbara. Look, you can get the. And then Virginia Puffin. Wow. So basically here, okay. Basically, that guy, from the beginning, he used to work for the Puffins as their security guard, and then he went crazy and he started killing all of the cultists that were coming to the island to kill themselves. Like he was like, they found a video of him killing a bunch of them like sadistically and crazily. So they fired him, and then the company from the first one hired him back to investigate what's happening on the island, and he wanted to kill Puffin. That's why he's like, looking good, Mr. and Mrs. Puffin.
Wait, did he kill that guy that said that?
No, he jumped back in the water and he swam off before we could kill him.
They killed the other 2 people.
Yeah, they killed the other 2 guys that was with them.
The other 3.
Yeah.
Oh, they're gonna drink
Energy drinks over here, guys.
Wait, could you chase him? Wait.
So if we went in the water, could we like find out where they went?
Wait,
No, so he pops up later in the game in each and every one of the bunkers, I think.
Hey, we're on to Mr. Puffton's body.
Hell yeah, guys, we did it pretty good for that first one.
They were easy.
Alright, let's jump in. I think this is the exit for sure.
Wait, I wanna watch this, wait. Okay, let's go. Why should I put on the wetsuit? Wetsuit. Why should I put on the wetsuit? I forgot about it. You can last long off one air take. How the fuck
Watch
you
out.
Ah, you cunt. Oh, dude, the machete's nice. Oh, how'd he get past him? This is unfair.
Is there anything else in there? Nope.
How did he get past him?
I don't know.
Seems unfair. You just walk past him like it's nothing.
This one right here.
I'm gonna kill the babies. Where's the baby at? Come on. I wonder if we just skip the puffins and jump into the water. Or can they swim?
Well, you could have. I guess you could have, but they would have, like, I don't know. I think that would have sucked a little bit.
Maybe the puffins would have jumped in the water and died. Oh, that's the
Maybe.
easy. That's probably like the way to speed. Unless they know how to swim. They were swimming at the beginning.
Now watch this take us out, like, right, like...
So is he the one who killed all these guys?
Probably.
Like, all these bodies are fresh.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
What are we gonna get next?
So
Machete?
which one are we going to next, guys? The entertainment one, or are we going to...
Entertainment. Entertainment has good stuff, I'm pretty sure.
Entertainment's pretty close by, too. So yeah, let's go to entertainment.
Yeah.
That's the TV.
Yep. Stretch.
Oh, yeah, we're taking it. Yeah, we get tunes, too, while we drive.
All of them. These YouTube videos could be my best ones, so you guys can hear me in the video for long. God damn. Damn. Man, what game does this remind me of? Reminds me of a game we get the zombie game. There's one where you ran through the cornfield. I can't remember what that's called.
Oh, I know what you're talking about. It's called, like, not Left 4 Dead. I know what you're talking about. Into the Dead.
Yeah. I watched something where someone beat that game. I was watching a reel where someone beat that game.
There's a second one, I think, too, that came out there. I thought I was gonna be able to hit that deer, damn it.
He's like chasing the deer.
Like the gun over there.
Fuck back here. That thing's hard to drive through the woods. Holy crap.
There's a lot of dodging.
On some sections you can't see at all.
Well, I had my shadow quality all the way up, so it looks like real shadows, and I ain't gonna lie, it makes it a lot harder. Like,
I know, mine are maxed out. Let me check my options. I think my graphics are maxed.
that's what I got mine at.
Yeah, mine are all maxed. Yeah, everything's maxed. I always play every game maxed. I always max out my graphics on every game.
I don't do it every game.
If it's a game that I know has really good graphics, I max it out right away.
Like, right now, I'm probably running at max, and the GPU's only running at...
I'm running 70% right now.
I'm running lower, Nathan. I'm at 61, 60, 59, 63.
Right now. No? Oh, I was at 50 for a little bit until you hopped out. Then my CPU's running 20%. The CPU's running 20%.
Was that 30? But I only have half.
Oh shit, oh.
I was stuck.
Yeah, 68 Celsius at 21%.
My CPU is running at 37, and I'm at 50 degrees Celsius.
It says my network too. My network's at 16.3 kilobytes per second.
My CPU's like 22, 25-ish. Keeps going back and forth.
35, 36.
17 hours on my timer.
My GPU's running at 50. I'm only at 4 hours.
What is the CPU? What's the CPU supposed to be running at?
What temperature you're setting?
It's like 26, goes to like 30, 26, 25, like all over a little bit.
I don't know why
Is that the percentage or is that the degrees? Is it say
Percentage.
degrees Celsius?
One more.
That's percentage.
If you're running good, then I can't stop.
What the hell are you looking
Kill
at?
these guys.
God damn it.
The leader, that's the leader.
That's not the leader.
Yeah, she has to go with the mask off.
Oh shit, does she? Oh yeah, never mind, that is the leader.
This dude's fucking me up.
She's still alive? No, she's dead. Oh shit, Titan! I'm gonna use the fire axe on this guy. Oh, there you go.
Wait, you guys got the fire axe?
Yeah, we got
You didn't
that.
grab it? Oh my god.
Oh, no. Does actually have fire comes out of it?
No.
No, it's an axe, just an axe.
Where was it at?
Isn't that freaking maintenance smoker? We sat in a room with it for like 20 minutes.
Oh, I still can't make tech armor.
Dude, that's salty. I guess I don't have that.
We'll go back and grab it. It's marked on the map for them.
Yeah, I marked. Did I mark it? Yeah, I marked it.
Where's it at on the map? I can't see it.
Man, that
You gotta
stupid
pull up
ass
the thing,
Titan.
M.
I hate Titans.
Press M to pull. You can press M to pull up your map. And then
I
you press-
see Calvin on there. See a blue TV flashing thing. I don't see it in.
You don't see the orange M?
I gotta walk. Wait, can you scroll on the map?
Stay still. Alright, press the button again.
I like Titans.
Like zoom all the way out. As far
That's
as
all
you
the
can.
way out. That's all the way out.
Oh, well, I can't pick up the lamb, but I was gonna make chicken noodle soup.
Well, there's an M over by Calvin. It's like right next to Calvin.
Why the hell it ain't on my map? Hold on, I'm about to go to Calvin and see if I can find it.
Where's a guy with limbs at? Where's like a normal person? There you are. Oh my god! I can make bread soup! Oh my god! Yes!
Oh, you got bread?
I can make Fred soup out of this guy.
Oh, you saw the link.
Wait, is it in the cave by Calvin? So by Calvin, there's going to be a thing marked with M, okay? It's the first one we walked into, the one where we were in there making all that stuff with the resin shit. Dude, how come the M ain't on my map, but Calvin's on it? You must have not activated it. It's one of those-
help.
Oh shit, Nathan.
I gotta
You
drop.
down?
I gotta drop all these rotten parts. Pick up all these nice, clean, fresh body parts. God damn it! I want Fred
I might
soup.
die.
Raw.
Oh, Calvin ran towards me, dude. He just ruined it. Now what do I do? Oh.
Fucking wait a second. We're gonna go to the entertainment bunker. After we go there, we'll go back to the maintenance bunker. God damn, dude. If you just wait a second.
Fucking Calvin just moved.
I don't think I have it on my map either.
Oh, this sucks.
I did it. I'm making Fred soup. Thank you,
Come back
Fred.
and we'll go to the blue TV one first, and we'll go to the other one and get the fire axe for you.
No, let's get the fire axe first, then let's go to the...
What was the fire axe by a lake?
No, it's inside of the bunker and it's in the axe.
I'm saying we
Look on my map. Am I by it?
Yeah.
You're nowhere near.
You said you're nowhere near it. Wait, what kind of...
Dude, oh my fuck.
Pull out your walkie-talkie.
I can't
Tyler Pettit. Come over here. We're going to the entertainment bunker because we're right next to it. That's the TV one. And then
I'm right next to the fire axe, though.
you're not right fucking next to it. Here, I'll take you to the fucking fire axe, bro.
And I can't cut up this body anymore. Wait, why don't I take this?
I don't understand how you didn't see it. We sat there for like 20 minutes in the same room as it.
Fred soup! Let's see how good it is. Oh, dude, it has so many perks, I'm pretty sure, too. It's full of fingers and all that good stuff. What's it give me? Oh my god, invisibility, strength? Dude, Fred soup is awesome! Give me an eyeball. Yeah, I'm not sorry you guys away. Oh, I lit on fire. I'm gonna kill your ass. Why you sound so... Did I kill you? No! I should have ran! Wait. Yes! Fuck you! I want more Fred soup out of your ass. Titan! Titan! Fuck out of here! Oh, I'm gonna burn the body! I need bones! Sure burns Fred. No, I ate his limbs. He doesn't have any more bones. God damn it. Yeah, cannibalism is awesome. Fuck. Man, I needed her bones, his bones, and then Titan. I'm not killing the fucking Titan. A lot of ammo. Oh, ammo. Oh, funny ball. Oh. Rock. Oh, what? How do I... Oh, dude, I'm gonna make a bunny trap, and I could, like... I think I just killed a coon.
Is it down there? Is it down there?
There's fire, that you can actually get this little fire.
I can't even get down there for some reason. Wow. The game's broke. Can't even go down there.
Awesome. What are you doing? Where are you going?
Where the fuck's the fire
It's
at?
inside the thing that holds the axes usually up.
Inside the thing that holds the axes.
I know you have seen. I know you have been inside of a fire. I know you've seen a fire.
I'm inside.
I'm helping. I'm coming to help you. I'm gonna point it out. No, over here. Over here.
I've been with the person in the bathtub.
Right. Whoa. No, not in there. Come here. Oh, no, baby. No. Where is he? No. Fuck you. See this? This is the thing that holds the fire axes usually. Oh shit. My bad. God damn it. There you go. It does. It's better than the normal axe. The big axe you have. It does more damage, but it swings slower.
No one ever told me I was in here.
Yeah, he did. He pointed it out to me. He said it's right there.
Not for me.
He said it to all of us. What was also ooh.
Okay, whatever.
Chickapettit, where you going? Where is you? Oh, he flew all the way over to the thing. Tyler, get your paraglider. Come here. Just jump off this cliff. We can...
That's what I'm trying to do is get to a cliff.
I'm edging the fuck out of this. The living fuck out of this. How cool the AI just randomly do their own little pattern. A little more way over to entertainment button. Credit. So Lloyd. Bum 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 my world. What is that? Oh god. Yes! No. I just put that in my inventory. Hello? Chickapettit, you there? Walkie-talkie?
Yeah, I'm inside the bunker.
Oh, you guys are inside. Oh. Can't find it. Oh, never mind, I found it. Oh! It's a good one. Which one is this?
It's entertainment. Time going on ahead.
Wait, where's he going? Oh, okay. Oh, I know what this is. Oh, wait. The 3D print just respawns. Wait.
Wait, someone was making, hold up, wait. Someone was making the freaking thing, hold up.
The sled? There's
Yeah, like I said, it's done now. Put all my shit in there.
Carbon fiber arrows! Oh.
Dude, someone just needs to put a little bit more in there, it's at 40%. Nathan, 5 more. You just need 5 more and it's done.
Awesome. What else I need for an explosive arrow? Oh, 2 things of batteries. The fuck? I got so many explosive arrows.
You ready, guys?
Dude, I have to use my explosive arrow. I think is there a compound bow in the game?
I think so, but I don't know for sure.
Dude, that thing would be awesome. A compound bow.
Oh wait, back here or stuff.
Oh, there's moolah. Wait, where's stuff at? Oh, watch. All maxed out on watches. To where?
Dave's
For what?
getting pizza and cooking oil.
Hold on, Tyler, really search.
I don't know. I want to
really
see if I
search
say
around
something.
before you just run off, bro. You might miss more shit. Don't want to come all the way back.
I'm trying to film my YouTube video right now. Find anything laying around? This place is cool, actually. A ladder. Can't go. Oh, it's exercise ramp. Is there anything in there? Man, they drunk all the energy drinks. Oh, rock.
Yeah, bro, look, so what beat this dude's head in with the freaking...
Oh, shit. How'd this guy die? He's just... Why did they all start killing each other?
Help!
Hey, monster! What are you? Oh, you're normal. Oh, he's dead. So what? Why did they all become cannibals? Oh wait, Jigabed, time bed down. Oh, yeah, I know. I'm healing you. My bad. I didn't know you were down. Sorry. I didn't see you. Sorry. I'm trying to kill him. Whoa. Another one. Yeah. Oh. So wait, where are we? I want to see the dead bodies. I'm not gonna lie, some of the deaths are goofy odd. There's a lot of them. Back here. Yeah, back here. Finger monster. Ow. What a cunt. I'm gonna kill this guy real quick. Oh.
Got him.
What? I don't know if I got him. Oh shit, you got him. Yeah, but all my armor's gone.
3, 2,
No, he's got my shit.
Damn. Alright, ready, set, go.
Okay. Yeah, he destroyed all my armor, dude. I hate those stupid ass big guys. The finger monster, there we go. I hate those guys, dude. They're evil. So many dead bodies. Some of these guys are like terrible deaths. You look around. Oh, he drowned to death?
Yeah, looks like it did, doesn't it?
How's this entertainment? I don't really understand. Oh, I'm stuck. What? Jigabed, what made them all go mad and kill each other?
It's the thing, they like phase between realities.
What are no? Wait. Oh, I finally can use my explosive arrows. Wait, don't go over there. I want to kill it. I called dibs.
What is it?
It's
Oh, that creepy dude coming in?
Yeah, I'm gonna shoot him with an explosive arrow.
He's over here on this one.
No, there's one over
He
here.
walked inside. He's inside. You're all. Well, the guy inside over here.
What? fucking awesome. The explosive arrow is actually like good. Holy crap.
Alright guys, ready? 1, 2, 3, where you gotta go?
Whoa. This guy's in tactical gear over here. That's like an actual soldier. There's one over here. Oh, what? How the hell do you even get in? There's one over here I killed. Oh, we could have just hopped in the water and got him. There's one of the spider dudes over here. Where's Jigapettit? Jigapettit.
Wait.
Oh yeah, we can look around a little more. Oh shit, wait. Dude, these explosive arrows are nice, dude. There's 2 of them did it. Wait, no, Tyler's not here. Go to Tyler.
My mic died.
You're good.
Alright, 3, 2, 1. Oh, you didn't get it?
Yeah, but it's fine.
Dude,
No,
Jacob Pettit, you should try making it. Dude, the Fred soup that I was talking about earlier, it gives you, I think it's invisibility, strength, and, it makes you swing your weapon harder.
Pretty sick.
Dude, but you can only use the small guys for some reason. You can't use the big old Titan.
So what's supposed to be in here or supposed to get?
Hold on, wait.
Upstairs.
No, wait.
What's supposed to be in here?
Upstairs. Wait, before we go upstairs, there's another room on the other side we gotta search first.
What are we supposed to find in here?
What? I don't know. None of us has ever done this. This is the first time for all of us. That's why I'm like searching through every room and doing
I never
everything.
even seen this on
You know?
YouTube. There could be a gun in here for all we know. We have no clue. Or another boss fight would be nice.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
But a boss fight could be
Ew!
upstairs.
Oh, whoa!
What? Right. What's the slime from, though?
I don't know.
Is it like a monster that like spits big old slime balls? Something like that?
Here's a note. Hi, Don. Doris, I saw on the list that you...
Oh, look, a baby. Right back. Swimming pool's actually nice, dude. If this place was real, it'd be nice. I wonder why it's all underground is what I'm curious about. Do I sit on top of the toilet? I can drink it. Is it safe? Oh, what? Oh, chlorine. Never mind. Yeah, that makes sense.
Actually goes under but flops back up. It's kind of cool. Alright, let's go, guys.
What? There's so much slime. No! I know what it is. That thing we saw in the cave. The slime guy that we saw crawling around. That's what it is.
It could be.
I got an itch in my throat. It won't come out. Holy shit.
I'll probably go with you guys. Nathan,
What?
I guess we're getting ready to get a date. You want to go?
Yeah. What?
Hold on, we gotta save this
I
real
do
quick,
because
guys.
I want to eat. But give me a minute.
$10. We gotta go. Because of this show.
We just me and Jim Pettit got here.
I understand you did because getting off to you, Nathan.
How's Pat still in here, but
Yeah, but I just told him too. He's getting off.
Please join us in our lounge tonight at 8 p.m. for a
The hell?
special performance by Bad Pivot, who will be performing their hit song, Hey You.
oh,
请于今晚8点加入我们在休息室的特别演出。Bad Pivot 乐队
Oh my god.
there's a car shoved down his throat.
There's a record.
Oh,
rush us.
Alright, I'm getting off.
Okay, y'all gotta save it. Wait, we gotta save it first.
Yeah, we gotta save first. We gotta place down a tent and
Move right down.
Oh my god, dude, these guys were doing good, man. They had so much money. They are dead. Why can't I get body from here, though?
Alright, should be able to save it. I'll shoot it on.
Wait, let me see. Wait, there's a guitar! Guitar!
What? There's a guitar?
Yes!
What? Where?
Right here.
Oh, there is a guitar. Keep playing.
I'm gonna hop off, see ya! Stop this video.